and welcome to episode 71. In the last episode, we stocked up on supplies at the Murgab market before heading down towards the Wakhan, finding a great spot to camp by the river. In this episode, we continue our drive west through the Wakhan, down the valley towards Kuro.
One of our friends this morning. Hello. Hello, Blueface. We had a few visitors this morning. This is the second herd of, it's kind of like a mix of goats and sheep. There's all the shepherds just over there. They're having their brekkie. And then actually on the other side there was like a train of, first of all there was cows, then there was donkeys, and then a guy riding a horse, and a camel with two baby camels, and then all the sheep after that. And then the dogs as well.
It's all been happening this morning.
Yeah, so many visitors. But yeah, I think we're going to hang out here today to chill out. The shepherds over there who asked if we wanted to come over for breakfast, they then come and insisted that we come and join them. So they'd made like a potato and carrot, an onion dish, and then just with some bread and stuff like that. And I had some fruit, which these sort of foods aren't very easy to come by here, so I gave them some fruit, which they were pretty happy with. But yeah, really nice guys. One of them spoke amazing English, and yeah, it was good hearing stories from both sides. So that was a really nice morning. But yeah, they're about to keep walking. They've got to walk 40 kilometres over the next couple of days with all of their livestock.
40 kilometres today.
Oh, 40 kilometres today, yeah. Long way. Alright, they're rounding them up.
Noisy or sheep?
The sheep are noisy.
Noisy is small, yeah?
Noisy is like
sound.
Ah! Like loud.
Ah.
Yeah. So we're just about to head off and keep moving west. This has been a really lovely camp spot. We've had a really good time here. There's been so many local shepherds come by. They're all very chatty and they've all got so many animals, and it's been really cool watching the people on the other side of the river. They all yell out, hello! But yeah, so the plan today, we're going to drive to a fort which is about 30 kilometres away. And then there's a village after that where I'm going to try and find some bread, maybe some more eggs and stuff like that. And then, I don't know, I think we'll just see what time it is and see how far we're going to keep going. But yeah, no real plans as such for this afternoon. We'll just take it as it comes. So we just arrived at Ruttam, where one of the forts in the Wakhan Valley is. So we just parked up here, and the fort is just over there. Oh, and some kids have just come to say hi. Hello.
What is your name?
Mark.
And Jolie.
What is your name?
What's your name?
Bicycle.
Bicycle?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
I like your t-shirt. It's very cute. Oh, I have the same hair as you.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thank you. You? Good.
What is your name?
My name is Mukadas.
Mukadas. Nice to meet you. My name is Jolie.
Jolly?
Jolie.
My name is Mark.
Mark.
Yes.
Mark.
Mark.
Is this your house?
House.
Yeah.
Car?
Our car, yeah. And our house.
Yeah.
Also our house. We sleep in the car. Yeah. Same. It's good.
Good.
Yeah.
Are you friends?
Yeah, we have the same hairstyle. And yours also, you have the braid here? Bye bye. Through Langar, and that was potentially one of the nicest villages I think that we've ever driven through. It was so luscious and green, and everyone is just so friendly. We're just driving out now. Hello!
Hello.
So awesome. And yeah, so there was a little shop there, and I went in. We're almost out of eggs because I gave all my eggs to the shepherds yesterday morning, so I've got 3 left, but they didn't have any there, so I just picked up a handful of potatoes and 3 big naan bread, so maybe that should see us through for another day or two. We'll just be living on bread. But yeah, so now we're just gonna keep driving. It's about 4 o'clock now, so maybe we'll drive for an hour or something and then find somewhere to camp, but it's absolutely beautiful here. The scenery is just spectacular. I'll wind the window down. I spoke too soon. I found some eggs. I'm gonna just sell me 30, but I only needed 15. Yay! Oh, he wants one, he wants one. Hey!
Oh, look at him,
Yay! Go, son!
Jason, give it a go.
we just found an absolutely awesome camp spot over some dunes, which is at almost 3,000 meters. So yeah, we had to drive over a couple of dunes, which was just over here to get here, and it's quite protected from the wind. So yeah, we're just going to set up here. Yeah, the road is just over these trees, but yeah, the trees just block out any sight, and there's hardly any cars, so yeah, there's not really any noise at all. But yeah, today's been an awesome day. Everybody here is just super friendly. It's insane how happy everyone is to see us. Everyone's just waving and saying hello. But yeah, today's been absolutely awesome. I am feeling great. And look at this view. Isn't that incredible?
That's it for this episode. If you liked it, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to catch the next one. Thanks for watching. See ya.